My name is Dr. Charlie from Landgrebe Chiropractic. This is my wife, who is 33 weeks pregnant. We're going to run through adjusting a pregnant lady to help with the low back pain that's normally associated with pregnancy, and also to help with an easier pregnancy and an easier birth. So what we do is we actually start by palpating the joints of the pelvis. And the adjustment is a very simple drop, what we call a drop adjustment, which actually uses the mechanisms in the table to move the joint. I'm going to keep that brief.